I'm super excited because I love using my griddle. I've had this griddle for about 6 months, a little over 6 months, and it doesn't come with this cover, but I highly suggest you buy one because you want to protect that investment. And man, what a unit. I love it. It's so, so nice. This is the Traeger 3-burner griddle. Look at this, beautiful. I've used it quite a bit in the last 6 months, and look how brand spanking new it still looks. I love that stuff. So a few things that you need to know about this one is it actually is super easy to put together. It does come in a super nice protective box, but look at this. Once it's all put together, all of these are, look at it, the expansion is insane. I love that. And I'm gonna open it up just like so you can see how actually big of a surface you have to work on, not just cooking, but also prepping. I usually tend to bring all my ingredients here and kind of like bring all the bowls and stuff and even the serving plates right outside while I'm grilling, and it's, or griddling, I should say. And this is a propane one, so I'll show you exactly. I'll just hook it up right now. And normal LPG bottle, super, super simple. And the cool thing about this one is that you can use it right like that right off the bat. But if you want the added kind of see where your flames are on basically with that little LED, all you need to do is plug it in. And I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to plug it in into a little battery backup just to show you it doesn't take a lot of power to do so. And let's go just like that. Now it's on, just like that. And this is literally just to ignite the flame, right? So I'm going to turn it on, just like that, and you'll see it change colors. It's going to turn on right here. I should probably put on some, there you go. That's probably the best. There you go. And it's going to turn on. I heard it turn on, and visually, you know it's turned on. And I know these are still off. And this here is what you're looking for, this on. You've got ignition mode, high, medium, and low. Super, super easy, really nice buttons, press and buttons to push and turn. Super, super simple. If I did unplug the power, this griddle would still work because all the power is doing that initial ignite and giving me visual confirmation that these burners are on. If I wanted to turn it on with a flame, I could do that from below, and that would be no problems at all. Now, a griddle like this, of course, you need it piping hot before you use it, but also before you use it, and you can see some smoke coming out of there from my, my little basket there, before you use it, you need to properly season it. And to season it, I use some canola oil and also some conditioning oil as well. And it's a process. It took me about an hour. I wanted to really make sure it's seasoned, but that was 6 months ago, and this is what it looks like right now. I, of course, clean it up and scrape it nice, and then reapply a little bit of canola oil every time I'm done with it, and it looks incredible. This is to be always open while in use or while burning. You don't close it up to do any type of recipes or anything like that. I love the size of it. I can do incredible breakfast for an entire family and friends here. I can do steaks. I can do, I mean, the sky's the limit, really. It's like whatever recipe you cannot wait to do on the griddle. It's there and it's available for you. My life used to be revolved around the grill, and I love barbecuing. But now I kind of get excited every time the griddle's out and I'm about to put some vegetables, some fried rice, some meat. Yeah, stir fries are incredible on this thing. It is so nice, so easy to clean as well. And of course, with that cover, I love to keep it really, really nice. And last thing I want to mention, that was my biggest concern with all these metallic parts. The metallic parts, all of this, the stainless steel, is really nice coated, powder coated as well, as you can see here. I live, very lucky to live really close to the ocean. The sea salt, air, and dust and grime is all over our windows, but this machine is still, this unit is still literally looks exactly like the day when we took it out of the box initially. Really, really happy with this. And the other thing too, it's on wheels, and I can put the brakes on if I don't want to have it on wheels, of course, or if I don't want to have it rolling around, but it is on wheels. And I have this on the ground, of course, but it can also be hooked up so you can move it about. And last thing but not least, look at this. This is what you would be cooking with, or every time I clean it up, this is where it all ends up. Super easy to replace the basket. Very easy to clean, of course, because that's where that kind of like chute goes down into the basket. I love the griddle. Traeger makes an incredible product. We're really, really happy. 6 months after the initial purchase, this is what we're with, and I'm about to use it tonight. I can't wait.